Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a fantastic homemade pallet sofa to your garden. Let's see, to build a pallet sofa like this, we will need a couple of tools. Safety first, so first of all we need a pair of gloves to protect our hands, a good old jigsaw to make it better, a drilling machine, a battery powered screwdriver, and because these old pallets are full of rusty nails and bits of pieces of metal things, we need to get rid of them using these hard tools. And finally, we need a big sharp axe, or maybe more. We will need screws, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters long. We use a custom sized pallet here, which is 100 centimeters wide and 120 centimeters long, so it is a non-standard, which is a bit cheaper. As you can see, we will start with the seat and the back of the sofa. All I need to do is to cut the pallets to 2 parts here. I will use the jigsaw, of course, to make it easier. So let's do it. As you can see now, we have the back of the sofa. All I need to do is to remove this part here. I will use 2 sharp axes and of course some force. It's not really easy, but it is worth it. I will use this part a bit later, so I'm going to put it here. That will be the leg of the sofa. I need to get rid of the old nails because they can harm you. They are not needed here. So first of all, I will use the good old axe. To attach the back of the sofa, we will need longer screws. We will need a drilling machine, a battery powered screwdriver to make it easier. If we don't have anyone to sit on this, we can use D-clamps to hold the whole stuff together. We're drilling a hole there and the screw, and we drive it in. This screw actually is just a temporary screw, it won't hold it. We will make it stronger a bit later. Okay, we are almost done. I'm just gonna take it out of the way. From the second pallet, I will make the bottom part of the sofa. I need to cut it here and there using the jigsaw. And from these 3 parts, I will make the legs of the sofa. These 2 parts will be taken apart a bit later. Using these 3 elements, I will build the leg of the sofa. I'm going to put them onto each other perfectly. And as you remember, we had the 4th one from the previous part. So I will use this. I will put another board onto the top of that. The remaining parts will be taken apart using 2 axes. I'm using a smaller and a bigger one. And all I need to do is just to carefully cut the nails. These 3 look great, but this one is cracked, as you can see. I'm going to put it onto the remaining part. It will be in the inside of the furniture, so it won't be visible from outside. And I will use the small screws to place it to the leg. Now we have the two legs of the structure, and I will make them stronger using two longer screws from both ends. Okay, now we have the legs. All I have to do is just to place them to the right position. I just need to put the furniture, put the sofa onto the top of that. There we go. We have a look at the remaining parts. We have several ends. The small ends are perfectly fitting there. We don't have to do anything with them. And there will be longer parts as well, longer ends. We need to trim them to fit there perfectly. These are very important because they will give the strength of the back of the sofa, and I will fix them using a small screw. This will give the strength of the back of the sofa. It will be very, very strong. It will not move when you lean against that. We need to be careful using the long screws on the bottom part and the short screws on the top part, because the short screw is just perfect. The long one comes out on the other end. After this, our sofa is ready. After this hard job, it's time to have a cup of coffee on our brand new sofa we have built. Catch you later, mate. Thanks for watching.